Yo, chat, what's up, baby? Guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Blue Whale FX. If it's your first time visiting the channel, I just want to say thank you and make sure to like and subscribe and make sure to turn on that notification so you can stay up to date as to what we have going on. So, guys, in today's video, we're going to be going over what to expect this week. What should we trade in? Should we hold our money this week? Should we be investing? All these type of things we're going to be going over today, okay? So without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so first things first, we're going to start off with gold, right? Gold has been, if you've been under a rock, living under a rock or whatever, they say, let's go. Gold has literally been going up for the past 2 years. I want to show a month chart so you can get a better idea as to what's going on. So here is, let's see, we're in October, so we'll go down to January of this year. So boom, this is where it all started. We've been bullish since the beginning of this year. We've had one bearish month, and that was right here. You could consider these. I'll say we've had. Well, technically, we've had one bearish month, and these are indecisive months, meaning the price is going back and forth. So that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. And as you can see, this was last year, so where we at? Monday. So oh, I'm sorry. I'm trying to find January. Okay, here we go, right here. So the year started off bearish, and then it just took off after that in 2024. So we've been going up for a while, and even before that, gold has steadily been going up. So this is a safe haven, and as far as investment goes, you just have to get in at the right points and hold your money. Now, what I'm looking at right now is shorts. I'm currently in a short right now, even though I shouldn't be because I'm doing my challenge and I'm trying to stay disciplined. But I am looking to take shorts. I think I got in right here at this zone, and my stop loss is actually below this. So hopefully I can catch some profit. I'm only taking it up to right here. I really thought that as soon as the market opened, like it was just gonna like hit this. So I was trying to get a quick 30 pips and then get up out of there, but it's liquidating right now, so I'm gonna let it do its thing. The real move is we are waiting for gold to break out of this zone right here. So these two black lines you see right here are what's called the hourly supply zone. So as soon as price breaks above 4,320, we can feel safe again with buying. Right now, I do recommend you to sit back and kind of just wait until price at least closes above the zone. Okay, that's the safer play. If you want to be a little aggressive, you can hop in these shorts at this area and try to take it up to at least this resistance zone right here. But that's totally up to you, right? Let's see. Oh, I wanted to go over Bitcoin. So with Bitcoin, let's go to the daily time frame with Bitcoin. So as you can see, Bitcoin is in a bearish market right now, even on a daily time frame. So let's see, did it hit a 20% drop yet? Almost. So we let me see. At 101,000, that's when it'll hit a 20% drop. So that's the thing, guys. Like, if Bitcoin hits that 20%, will it continue to go down? We've seen what it's capable of doing, right? So let's see. I feel as though the leaders of the world got together and created Bitcoin, and they're like using it to make hella money, bro. Like, because this shit don't make no sense. I was looking at this and I was talking to a friend about this. In 2021, Bitcoin dropped from 68,000 all the way down to about what, 16, 15,000. You know how crazy that is, bro? And then to go up the next year, like that's crazy. That's wild, bro. Bitcoin is definitely wicked, bro. If you invest in Bitcoin, you have to have some tough skin, because to know that price can drop that far and that harsh within a year, bro, is crazy. So yeah, November 2021 to basically November 2022. So a whole year of just bearish movement. Imagine how many people were buying during this whole time, just getting like, oh, it can't go no lower than this. It can't go. Yes, it can. That was a 77% drop. Yikes. And then it finally decided to go up. So I'm not too sure, man. Like I honestly don't know with Bitcoin. I can tell you one thing, I wouldn't be buying right now. That's all I can say, because like look at this, right? We got a double top right here. So I'll draw it out actually. So bam, 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 bam. Then price even broke below the neckline. So boom, this is the neckline right here. If this happens, if price pulls back a little, pulls down a little bit more, then comes back here and retests this and rejects off of this, oh man, I would definitely get up out of Bitcoin. All right, what else? What else? That's about it, man. I was gonna talk about US30, but US30 is kind of like chilling right now. It's almost doing the same thing as like gold. US30 is at all-time highs, and it's kind of just sitting at this area right now, trying to figure out what's going to happen. Now, the major plays that are going to happen in the market are, we're supposed to be having some type of news in regards to China. I believe not this week, but next week. Also, the government is still in this quote-unquote shutdown, so you got that. And then right now, American citizens across the United States are protesting against Trump. So, you know, there's a lot of things going on right now. But, you know, I want you to kind of be focused and pay attention to what's really going to make you money. In my opinion, bro, if the market drops or if it pops, it doesn't matter. In my opinion, I'm going to make money regardless. Like right here, worst case scenario with gold, it drops down to this level right here. So this is the daily. I'm ready for whatever, to be honest. This is the daily support. Now, I do know one thing about price, right? I do know one thing about price. Before it tends to reverse, it normally comes back up one more time just to, you know, retest these levels before it goes down. So the two most likely plays that will happen, right? And this is just speaking from experience, is price may go down a little bit, right? But it has to at some point come back up to either here. Wait, where was the first one? Okay. It'll come back up to this point and then it'll reverse, right? Here, or here, right? Now it might do a liquidity grab. So here are the possibilities of what could happen, right? I'm gonna show y'all everything. Possibility number one, there are a lot of bears in control with gold right now, and their aim is to push price down, right? They want a correction and just balance the market, kind of. So this is one possibility, right? Boom, price goes down, comes back up, hits retest this, and then goes further down. My prediction is it comes somewhere down here and then, you know, goes back up, right? That's possibility number one. Possibility number two, you know, price just comes back down to this 1 hour zone right here, and then shoots up, makes higher highs. And then possibility number 3, a full-on reversal, right? I don't really see a reversal happening at this point. It could, but hey, if it does, it does, bro. What was I gonna say? Oh, so yeah, man. If you pulled anything that I said from this video, just be patient with gold. That's the play that we're looking at. Gold has been going up for a very long time and it's very stable. So could it crash? Of course, anything could happen, bro, at any point in time. Like, we got to be safe. We got to be smart. We can't just jump into the market and just willy-nilly, right? So I'm not fucking with Bitcoin. I'm definitely watching gold. I just wanted to make this video very quick, guys. You know, a lot of you have been watching my $100 to $1,000 challenge. We're doing pretty good. We're actually close. I had took a fumble on Friday, but then I had took some trades after that, and yeah, I got my account back up to where I needed it to go. Now my goal is to get my account to like 1,000 before the end of this week, because we are nearing the end of the 30 days. But guys, if you need any help, feel free to reach out to me, man. I'll answer questions. Just, you know, leave a comment. I'll do my best to get to you guys. But other than that, guys, man, that's it. Peace.